Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. Positive day. The S&P 500, the SPY today broke above 490, 491.27. The closing price, our target is 492.47. Next level, 500 and 506, 508. 500, obviously, it's a big resistance. So let's see if it gets there. When it does, what happens? Support 80 MA and 480. RIVN. Rivian Automotive. This one has been coming down very heavily. And over the past couple of days slash week, we've been seeing some accumulation with dark pool activities, and today some also call option flow. Positive, I like what I saw on the platform for the options in the dark pool. Now, this is volatile, so just be aware of that. Here, as you recall, did a pullback. It consolidated nicely. I like this base, and it's back above the 16, triggering a buy. So we enter a swing today. Target 1740, 1950 SMA, and then 2060. Support, we keep it tight, 1540 and 15. Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today, 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.